In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your Google or Android TV home screen from looking like this, where it's all sponsored content at the top, and half the time you can't even find your apps because only recommendations at first, and then it's the apps. I mean, soon it should be the other way round, right? Well, if I press the home button on my device, I am taken into this custom launcher where there's no sponsored content at all. And as you can see, I've put my apps into different categories so I know where everything is. And in my opinion, this looks a whole lot better than the stock Google TV launcher, since you don't have any of that sponsored content right in your face. So in this video, I am gonna show you how to make your Google TV or Android TV device and customize the home screen to be something like this, folks. So if you want to do that, let's get started. Okay, so all we're literally gonna do today is download the application, just one application on our device. Now we'll replace the home screen and make it look better, folks, without the efforts or anything like that. And we won't have to install the launcher monitor today, since this launcher actually replaces the home screen for you, which is really nice. So with that, let's get on with it. So all we're gonna do from our device is we need to go into the apps section. Now if you don't see it, just open up the Google Play Store. And then you want to search for an app called Project Ivy. So that's PROJECTIVE. Project Ivy. Now if we search, and here's the app right here, folks. Project Ivy launcher. Just click on that and then install it. And this is completely free. There is a pro version, but the free version is all you ever need. So give that a second. Now if we open that, and then if we click on the right ring on our remote, keep on going right till we get to this saying, I know Project Ivy to read all TV listings available on your device. We want to allow this, and then we want to say yes to this, and we want to switch it on. Okay, so this is the default look, folks, and as you can see, it already looks better. You don't see the sponsored content, and what I like about this launcher is you also see the third-party apps, whereas on the stock Google TV launcher, they hide the third-party apps from the home screen. So that's very nice. But I would like to customize this personally. So if we click on the gear up in the right, just there, and then go to edit categories, we can actually add some categories here. So I want to add 3 categories, one for the streaming, one for the gaming, and one for tools. So if I click on add category, let's create a new category, and let's call this category streaming. Right. So if we click on the arrow just there, that's now been added. So we want the category to be visible. Depending on how big the TV is, you might want to change the category size. So for me, small works good. So if we click on small just there, that's now making the app smaller, so now you can fit more on. So if we click on back, so that's our streaming category. So if we add another category and call this one, let's just call this tools. Okay, so if we click on the arrow to confirm it, I want to change the size again to small, and then that's the tools category, and doing the same for gaming, and that's it. So if we click on the arrows just there and change the size to small, you can obviously customize this later however you like it, but for now I'm just gonna do this. So we've got 3 categories: gaming, tools, streaming, and if you have a look here, they already had categories: video, music, games, circles, so you might not need to create categories, but I've just created some as an example. So if we now click on back again, let's split these into categories. So Apple TV, if we non-hold that, and if we go down to move to, and then I'm gonna add that in my streaming category, background apps and process this as a utility. So non-hold that, I'm gonna add it, move it to my tools category, BBC app there. I'll non-hold that, click on move to streaming, Disney Plus, non-hold that, move to streaming, download it, non-hold, move to tools, since it's a utility, ATPX, if I non-hold that, click on move to, and then streaming. You get how this works, guys. You just non-hold the center button, you click on move to, and then go to whatever category you want to put it in. So if we click on streaming again, that's been added. So non-hold that, move to, okay, so as you can see, I've customized this now. So now all my tools are in the tools section, all my streaming apps are in the streaming section, and as you can see, it's looking nice already. So I want to fit more apps on. I want to have multiple roles, rather than just they can ruin them like this. So if we go to the streaming category, and if we push left, and from here we can click on the gear, and if we enable quiz, this allows us to have it as a quiz. So how many apps do I want on that quiz? So let's just do 6. And to me, that looks better. Let's resize this so it's smaller actually. And already, in my opinion, that looks a lot better. Let's do the same for the streaming section. So if we go to settings, scroll down to quiz, just there, enable it, customize it so it's extra small, and cards per quiz. Let's do 4 per quiz. Now I think that looks a lot better. So if we now customize the knock and knot, so if we go to settings, we'll go to Rosec IV settings, and if we go to appearance, and if we go to status bar, we can actually customize the knock size. So for me, I name my knock to be not noticeable at all, but you can still see it. So if we reduce the knock size to 24, and if we click on back, so as you can see now, the knock now takes the space, but it is still noticeable, and personally I do name the knock to be small. So I'm pretty happy with this, so I want to set it as the main launcher. So how do we do that? Well, if we go into our action rule settings on our device, and if we scroll down to accessibility, just there, and if we scroll down to Rosec IV launcher, if we click on that, it will say enable, click enable, click OK. Now if we go back into Rosec IV launcher, and if we go into settings, Rosec IV launcher settings, go into send rule and click on override current launcher, click on that, then click on change default launcher, and we're gonna send that to Rosec IV. If we click on that, click on set as default, and that's it, folks. If I now go into our application, and if we now press the home key on my remote, as you can see, I'm taken into my custom launcher where I see no sponsored content. I see gorgeous wallpaper, and it's a lot more simpler to use, folks, without all the sponsored content. There are some couple things you can do to customize it even more, like change the wallpaper, for instance. So if we go into the settings, Rosec launcher settings, click on appearance, and if we scroll down to wallpaper, and for your own wallpaper, if you want to put your own on, you will have to pay for that application, which is not worth doing in my opinion, but you can scroll through different ones. For instance, what I use on my Nvidia Seal is dynamic colors. So if we click on dynamic colors, and then if we click on back, back again, as you'll see, the background will change to suit the app highlighted on, receiving is smart, modern and sleek, but obviously you can customize it however you want. It's just what I prefer, folks. And you can customize this even further. Say if I want to fine tune the size in these, I can go to settings, go to Water IV settings, go into appearance, click on cards, so these and the tails themselves. You can round corners, so I like to turn this up to 60, I think, and I like to turn the size down to about 80. Then if we go back, as you can see, it now looks like that, folks. This iPhone is very, very smart. So have a play about with it and see what you can come up with, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, smash the like button. If you want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to share this video and get it out to more people, don't forget to hit that share button, guys. All these actions are very much appreciated. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.